nail techs. Let's talk about the realities of life. Every last one of us has suffered some form of tragedy in our life. And the older you get, the chances are you have experienced more unpleasantness than younger people. Okay, this brings me to when you're posting, when I'm posting, when everybody's posting and putting up videos and what have you, sometimes you're going to see something that will cut you deeply in your heart. It's not because the person posting it purposely meant to hurt your feelings or make you feel bad about your day. It's because they've got a life of their own and they're posting things that they want to post. Which brings me to the fetus nails, the fetus nail art that the social media company that I hired to help me promote the Nail Tech event of the Smokies, they chose this fetus nail art for spooky month of Halloween. It was gross. It wasn't something I personally would ever pick or wear, but the artist who created these nails had whatever in mind when they created it. It meant something to them. They created it. I don't know what kind of fetus this was. Feti, fetus, I don't know. I have no clue. And it was up on my Instagram. And I got a bunch of people that started shitting on me because of it. Now, let me ask you this. They were upset because apparently I didn't get the memo that October is, I guess, Breast Cancer Awareness Month, which I knew. And now it is also some month for people who have lost babies, like unborn children, you know. So they were triggered by this other artist's fetus nails that got posted. Instead of just scrolling, they had to keep trolling. By their logic, the nail tech had no right to create that nail art, and I had no right to, well, I didn't post it. The social media company posted it. And I'm assuming they probably wanted me to take it down, but I didn't, because I'm not going to do that just because somebody got their fifis hurt. No, I'm sorry about that. You know, everybody has suffered tragedies. But by this logic of theirs that nobody is allowed to post anything and we should all take it down if somebody gets their feelings hurt, by this logic, then, every last person who posts a video or photos of their grandparents should take it down, because I've lost my grandparents and it's very painful. They've been gone a long time. And everybody who's posting videos of their parents and them, they need to take that down too, I guess, because my parents are dead, you know? And that's a painful thing for me too. When I'm scrolling and I see people enjoying life with their parents, I don't immediately shit on their videos and like make them feel bad about enjoying their life just because I personally have that heartache in my life. So, is everybody who has children and they put their photos of their children and their videos of their children, are they supposed to not do that and celebrate their lives just because there are people in this world who have lost a child? Is it their fault? I mean, are they supposed to not enjoy their life because somebody out there might get their feelings hurt upon seeing them with their families enjoying life? So here's the deal. If you don't like what you see, unfollow if it bothers you that much, or keep scrolling.